late. Every game has started each and every match for Abra as they gun for the title this season. As the tip going to the side of Mindoro. Abra tonight in lieu of Marwin Taiwan now coming off the bench. Dave Ildefonso hits his first free and Abra strikes first here. Galang out with Joshua David. Oduba providing that pick. Nice slip there. John Oduba scores and Abra off to a 5-0 start.
Sa screening dito kay John Oduba. He pretty much, lalo na short roll, malaking bagay yung mga slips na gano'n para kay John Oduba. But Ethan Galang as well. You know, much as he plays with a lot of force inside.
And Ion. Now it's Dave Ildefonso. Makes his move, turns around, finds John Oduba inside. Basket plus the foul for the former Parañaque Patriot. Now, pinaka-competitive games na involved sila in were probably that loss against Pasay. That was early in the season. And then you got that game against San Juan in the first quarter. Mindoro off to a flat start, but Ranry Bienes off a timeout. Hit Ethan Galang behind the back. Kyle Perez swatted away when one of the leading shot blockers in the league, and Raven Gonzalez. Derecho, 2 points plus a foul by Dave Ildefonso.
And specifically, we were mentioning it earlier, and
Dave Ildefonso with 8 early points. Now he gets the steal. Look out. Dave will slam it down.
So far, all the points, transition defense para dito sa Mindoro.
And that's 29 straight games of scoring at least in double figures for Dave Ildefonso, while Ethan Galang.
Capability of Ethan Galang. Let alone, you know, yung ball on the floor capability niya. No? Kung hindi mo ibibigay yung tira sa labas, kaya rin niyang i-dribble sa loob.
And John Oduba relentless in the paint. 18-8.
Workhorse talaga to si John Oduba.
Nice drive by Marion Magat. And that's what he brings to the table
on both ends.
Ayon for free. Off target. John Oduba. Nice cut inside off the offensive rebound and pass.
Naiiwan ka nitong pace na nilalaro nitong Abra Weavers. You know, Weavers are gonna score a lot of points in the paint.
Raven Gonzalez, it's his turn to score with a nice assist from Dave Ildefonso. Pero hands by Kong with active hands able to deflect that pass. RJ Ramirez, pull-up jumper is good.
I like that RJ pulled that up. Parating, pero hindi na hinayaan pa makarecover nito ni RJ. Immediately catch and shoot.
Oduba, mid-range jumper.
Even when he played sa he is going to have advantage.
Dave with 5 on the shot clock. Takes the free and makes it. Second free from Dave Ildefonso.
Dave Ildefonso again from the 3-point area. He's right now 2 out of 3 from there.
Ashton Andrews blows by Dave that time and scores.
And the thing is vested in. Another 3 on its way.
That time short. Mindoro gets it back. Ashton Andrews is cleared for takeoff. Just lays it in though as a jumper. Marion Magat with a rebound. Outlet to Jonas Tibayan. Goes inside for the scoop layup.
And talaga makukuha mo kay Jonas Tibayan. Even in the open basketball.
That time missing on top of the key. Under a minute remaining in the first frame. Marion Magat. You see the value of Marion Magat there. Just able to attack.
Find open teammates. Very similar. Those two guys.
Gonzalez. Oduba from 20 feet. Oh man, John Oduba's confidence skyrocketing here for Abra.
John feeds ni ni Dave Ildefonso kanina sa baba, and Dave really tries to find him. Marion Magat though.
Nakalusot si Marion Magat.
Marion Magat doing a little celebration right there wide. And he always, in my opinion, has tried to unlock different facets of his game. and heading into the playoffs. And those are going to be very useful for Dave Ildefonso. What's even more impressive, at that time parang may away from the ball yung isa. 3 on its way.
Patay ang putiki doon. RJ Ramirez, another pull-up jumper from the baseline. And he hits it. Perez. Nice pass from Tibayan to a cutting RJ Ramirez, who puts it up and in.
They like, flashing guys on the middle. Mike Kong's been pretty good. Pretty solid for the Mindoro Tamaraos. And he helps a lot in the play-ins. And so surely the Weavers expect that these guys are gonna come in tough. And you're never gonna get this sample opportunity before. If I recall correctly, parang his most intense game was in that game against San Juan. If I recall correctly, na talagang laser focused siya. Pero you see that intensity in his game. And getting those second chance opportunities, which they were a +10, and they also had 15 more offensive rebounds. Yun ang naging resulta para sa kanila.
Yun na nga mismo yun. -18 field goal. Spots up for free. Rebound, Galang. The outlet to Axel Inigo. Puts it in. Mindoro still down by 3, 38-35. Inigo peeks at the clock. Now he attacks. Pocket pass to Marion Magat, who banks it in. The lead is down to 1.
Marion Magat.
Ildefonso goes inside and setting up Raven Gonzalez for the deuce.
Dave alongside Joshua David. So if he's not scoring, he's dishing. Oh, man.
Ethan Galang has the green light tonight.
Giving that weak side alley-oop for Ashton Andrews, which he did not finish.
Dave Ildefonso able to power through. Total of 15 for Andrews. The feed as Axel Inigo slips. John Oduba grabbed the offensive rebound, put back in, and a bonus free throw coming up after getting fouled. Abra Solid North Weavers.
The Abra Weavers are a driven organization. I mean, just in their second year, pero ramdam mo na yung drive to achieve more and get to that next level, which is
Ildefonso puts it on the deck. Multiple pump fakes. Finds an open Encho Serrano for free. Book it.
Well, 6 assists already for Dave Ildefonso. It's, again, similar to what you said earlier, that it's not about me. It's the we in the Abra Weavers. And I think that really starts from where the mindset of Coach.
From the Weavers. Kyle Perez. Fading away against Mark Yee. Puts it in.
Ito namang Mindoro Tamaraos sa laro. You don't have a Wendell Combo, you don't have a Bamgam Alinda, no Ken Bono, even. And ito yung pagkakataon na magkaroon ka ng floor time against the top team this season and show the coaching staff what you've got.
Even Joseph Sedorifa.
That's right. Joseph's not here also. That's right.
Ashton Andrews forcing his way in.
Man, just his athletic ability is really, in my opinion, a gift. You see that basket go in for Mike Ayon.
Knows his role, and he said, compete against your opponent and not your teammate.
Maraming salamat, Mika. Yun din yung isa sa overlooked aspect sa pagpasok ni with that, Encho Serrano, he took advantage of that situation. And probably his finest performance here with Abra in a game where things weren't found away and pulled through in the end.
And one thing that you also observed with Encho Serrano in that game, he really took it upon himself to lead the team. Huwag nating i-mention na birthday niya during Dave and Encho. This is really going to bode well for the Abra Weavers. I mean, the other guys really just got to follow their lead.
And there's another layer to that as Hans Baikong scores. Mindoro.
And making this game closer than what everybody would have expected against the #1 team, but Encho Serrano's got that 3 going right now. That's his second from that very same spot dito kay Encho Serrano.
Yung situational awareness eh.
Correct.
That's Maikong.
Yeah.
Straight to the cup, lays it in with his left hand.
And that iba rin yung binibigay niyang facet ng game sa posisyon ng Guardia para dito sa Mindoro. You got that body strength and that athleticism, that speed. And you got another 3 right there for itong Abra Weaver.
Baseline inbound. Now it's with Austria. Hands it off to Jorel Gonzalez. Nice move.
Good pass.
Able to attract the defender, set up Cholo Mendoza. No good, but Gonzalez was there to put it back in.
For the quarter. While itong Mindoro hasn't even gotten to 20.
Inside, Ethan Galang scores. And he also got fouled in the process.
Per game. Itong si Raven Gonzalez. Even coming in 3rd when it comes to rebounds. So anything that you need from a mobile big man.
Ooh. Marquis standing his ground. Numbers for the guys in white. Joshua David, Marquis, balik kay CJ Austria.
Well, we talked about unself-finish.
Jorel Gonzalez, mindes yung kanyang layup doon.
At saka ang clear separator rin doon, Ken, yung free throws. The free throw makes, that's a plus 14 make for the Abra Weaver. Good rejection right there by Hans. 3 on its way.
Ethan Galang puts it in from downtown. The lead is down to 10.
Oh my God, di naman siguro.
Di ba? 1982, hindi, 1982.
Well, antayin natin yung sagot ni Coach Dino.
John Uduma puts it in.
For the most part.
Encho Serrano, nice pass to David Defonso, lays it in. Abra in full throttle right now. Rebound grab by Mike Ayon. Encho Serrano sa loob, doesn't get the friendly bounce. El Defonso grabs it and lays it in. David Defonso with 19 points and 9 rebounds.
Vision, even if he slows down as he gets into the paint, enough body strength and the balance to finish it off. Oh, wow.
You saw from a mile away, Encho Serrano really wanted that free. Encho grabs it. Soars and scores. Encho Serrano, 5 consecutive points. A total of 29. His season high here in the MPBL 7th season. David Defonso, 3rd guy with at least 20 points. Ramirez baseline drive. Strong take to the basket. Napangiti na lang si Encho Serrano doon. And even starting in the play-in, depth is gonna be a huge factor. And they can't rely solely on those 3 guys. Ino Comboy, Bam Bam Gamalita, and Joseph Sedoripa. They step in and chip in. You know, the Ethan Galangs, the Checo Bancales, the Ray Bienes, even this guy, Ashon Andrews, Ken Bono. They're serviceable big. They're winding down the 4th quarter, a minute left in regulation. Cholo Mendoza getting the Abra Solid North Weavers to the century mark, 101-78. Maikong with his another Garcia miss. Ashon Andrews pushing it, nice pass. Maikong in stride, lays it in.
I think that's the level of guard performers they're gonna need from Jeko, not to be solely dependent on Axel on the point guard spot. Ang maganda kasi kay Jeko, tsaka
but Abra with a resounding victory once more, and they are the winningest team in the regular season of the MPBL, 28-1, and the Abra Solid North Weavers cruise to a 104-82 victory over the Mindoro Tamaraws.